Hello, I'm Dr. Edward Bethel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your class resources with your colleagues without having to copy your entire course over onto their course. Now, there are several ways that you could do this, but I'm going to show you what I think is typically the easiest way and the one that involves the fewest customizations when bringing the content into the new course. So I'm going to look at a quiz, but this actually works for any activity that you want to share with any of your colleagues. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the quiz or assignment or H5P module that you want to share. Go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to do it on this module 1 quiz. And up in the right top of the particular activity, click on the Actions menu. That's this cogwheel that's up in the top right. You'll see a drop down, scroll down, and if you scroll down, you'll notice at the bottom there is an export option, but we're not going to choose that. Instead, we're going to go to this selection that says Backup. So you just click on Backup, and you're taken to what looks like the course backup page. And so as normal, you're going to uncheck include enrolled users, because you just want the quiz by itself to be sent, or the assignment or forum or whatever other activity it is. So then you scroll down to the bottom and click Next. You could directly click Jump to the final step, but I'm going to just go through each of the screens so you'll see how it works. So click Next, and you'll see that the only thing that is actually being backed up is this particular quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next again, and it'll tell you that this is the file name. You might want to change it to something more appropriate. So I'm going to change this to module 1 quiz, the power of get. And when you change the name, just make sure you leave that MBZ extension at the end the same. So, and you can leave the file name exactly as it was before as well. You don't have to change it. I just typically like to ensure that I can easily identify that file. So then I scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and click Perform Backup, and you'll notice only that quiz is being backed up. And you'll see when the backup is completed, a green notification telling you that it was successfully created. Click Continue, and you will see that now you can access that backup file, and you see my backup file has now been created. I'm going to go ahead and download that, and I'm going to download it to my desktop. And then what you would do would be to send that file to your colleague so they can then upload that quiz into their course. So now what I'm going to do is look at how I can import that quiz into my course. Good, so I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to choose a different course now. I'll choose my training course. I should have that somewhere here. Yeah. And I want to import that backup file that I just created into this training course. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, on the course homepage, go up to the course homepage actions menu. That is the cogwheel again. Click on that, and I'll see the regular menu, and I'm going to click on Restore. And again, I'll get the normal restore menu, and you can drag and drop the file. My file is down here, so I can just easily drag and drop it. If you want to choose, you can choose it as well. But I drag and drop it there. I see that the file has been uploaded, and I go ahead and click restore. And I'll get the normal restore screens. You can just click through. On this page, this is where it's important that you make the correct selection. You have restore into an existing course. You want to ignore that. You want to, sorry, you want to type the name of this existing course so that you can be sure that the file will be restored into your current course. So I'm going to just type in train-902 because that's what's appearing up here. And just select this existing course. Click continue. All of the correct selections should be chosen, so you don't really need to worry about those. I'll just go next. Again, next, and then perform restore. And once I get the restore message, I can go ahead and click continue, and I should see now my Module 1 Power of Yet quiz restored into this course, and there it is. And notice it will appear in the same week or module that it was backed up from. So in the original course, it was in week 1, and in this course, it's been restored into week 1. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just give me a shout. You can contact me at edward.bethel@ub.edu.bs. Have a great day. Bye now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.